Weather alert. What the hell?
Severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA weather radio, all hazard, station WXM43.
To my head, I don't care.
And transmitting on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz from an antenna located in Frostburg, Maryland.
What is it?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 191, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bedford, and Somerset. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
Severe thunderstorm watch for Bedford and Somerset counties in south central Pennsylvania. Yeah, but it's covered by the Frostburg transmitter, so it goes over. Yeah. WDYK might go off with it. I wonder.
It's 7 on Magic 100.5.
When you want furniture with unparalleled open house, stop by and say hi. That's your Maryland's greatest furniture store. Whether you're
That's good.